Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is expansion formulae. Today we will solve practice set 5.3, question number 6, 7 and 8. So let's begin.
Write down sixth sum in bracket 2p minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube. Answer by using expansion formula a minus b bracket cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take this bracket down. 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube equals a equals 2p. Therefore 2p cube minus 3 into again 2p square into b is 1 upon 2p. 1 upon 2p plus 3ab square. 3 into 2p into b is 1 upon 2p. 1 upon 2p bracket square minus 1 upon 2p whole cube. Cube of 2p is 8p cube. 3 into square of 2p is 4p square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into its square is 4p square minus 1 upon 8p cube. 8p cube minus, now here 2p is there, here 4p square is there, so 2 2s are 4 and 1p will get cancelled from here, p square, so here 2p is left and here 1 is left. Similarly here also we'll do at the same time, 2p is left. Multiply this term and this 3. 3 to the 6 and here p is 6p plus, and now 3 is left up and down, 2p is there, yes, 3 upon 2p, lastly 1 upon 8, 1 upon 8p cube as it is. Got it? Take the question 2p minus 1 upon 2p whole cube. Now write down seventh sum 1 minus 1 upon a. Answer by using expansion formula a minus b bracket cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Take the question again here down. A minus 1 by a bracket cube equals a is 1 and b is 1 upon a. So a cube means 1's cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1 by a.
Yes.
Plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a square, as b is 1 upon a, b square is 1 upon a square minus b cube means 1 upon a cube. Cube of 1 is 1 minus 1 square is 1 into 1 is 1 into 3. 3 into 1 is 3 down a plus again 3 into 1 is 3, denominator a square as it is minus 1 by a cube. Take this question 1 minus 1 by a bracket cube equals, this is the answer. Write down eighth sum x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. Answer by using expansion formula a minus b bracket cube or whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. I'm writing here question x by 3 minus 3 by x equals a equals x upon 3 and b equals 3 upon x. I will take it in bracket x by 3 whole cube minus 3 into x upon 3 bracket square into 3 by x plus 3 into a is x by 3 into b square is 3 upon x square, 3 upon x bracket square minus 3 by x bracket cube. Whenever there is more calculation, separate it. Now cube of x is x cube and cube of 3 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. X cube by 27 minus, I will take it in multiplication form again, 3 into x by 3 square, it means x by 3 into x by 3 into 3 upon x as it is plus 3 into this x upon 3 as it is. Now take this as it is down, x by 3 into the square of this bracket, take it in multiplication form. It means 2 times this bracket we have to write 3 upon x into 3 upon x minus, we will take cube of this bracket 27 by x cube. Now here 3 is there and here 3 is there. So if 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Here also 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Here x is there, here x is there. In whole calculation only x is left. So remember this x. Similarly here 3 will get cancelled. Here x will get cancelled. And what is left here? 3 upon x is left here. Take this x cube by 27 down minus x plus here 3 into 3 it becomes 9 and this x is left here. So 9 by x minus this 27 by x cube we will take as it is. So this is your final answer. Take this question again down, x by 3 minus 3 by x whole cube equals x cube upon 27 minus x plus 9 by x minus 27 by x cube. This is your final answer.
That's all for this lecture. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally,